Hello coin engineers, in today's video we will be talking about Binance's new event, the Wishing Moon. In this new event, we will try to collect 5 different moon rocks to acquire the Wishing Moon. And people who have acquired it, the winners, will be rewarded with various token vouchers. If you're interested, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get the priceless contents that we share every day. And also, you can follow our other social media accounts such as Twitter, Instagram and Telegram. And let's get started. The Wishing Moon event started yesterday at 8 AM UTC and will end at the end of the day on September 10th. The thing you have to do in order to participate is simple. You must trade at least 100 BUSD equivalent of crypto within the qualified pairs. To do that, you need a Binance account. If you don't have one yet, you can click on this special link in the descriptions of this video and register to Binance with a lifetime 20% commission discount. And also, you can watch our Binance tutorial through the link in the descriptions if you need any help using it. You can see the qualified pairs here. Every BTC pair and BNBs and ETHs, BUSD and USDT pairs. While trading for this event, you can still benefit from the Binance's zero fee event on every BTC pair and Ethereum's BUSD pair. After each trade equivalent to 100 BUSD, you should go to the activity page to collect your moon rock. You must click on this yellow text to go there, but I will also give you these pages and the activity pages links in the descriptions of this video. Also, don't forget that more collected moon rocks mean bigger share of the total rewards pool. Now let's come to the rewards. We know that the total prize pool is 50,000 BUSD and 1,500 of them will be equally shared with the top 10 winners. This means each of the top 10 will get 1,500 BUSD worth of token vouchers. And the rest of the winners will share 35,000 BUSD based on their collected number of moon rocks. Of course, we need to remember that there is 500 BUSD cap. So if you are not part of the top 10, the maximum amount which you can get is 500 BUSD. And for the last part, rewards will be distributed within 4 weeks after September 10th. And you can redeem your token voucher from the reward center of Binance if you are one of the winners. You can just click on this yellow text to access to reward center. And now let's look at the activity page right now. You can see the 5 different moon rocks: family rock, love rock, wealth rock, health rock and happiness rock. With each trade you do equivalent to 100 BUSD, you will acquire one of those moon rocks. And when you got 5 of them, you can create the Wishing Moon. When you've got 5 of them, you can create the Wishing Moon and become one of the winners. As you can see, there are 993 people collected the moon rocks, but of course we don't know how much of them have been collected the Wishing Moon. After your each trade, come back to this page and claim your moon rock. Now let's make an example to clearly understand what should we do. You know that you should trade the qualified pairs with 100 BUSD equivalent. To do that, after logging into your account, just click one of the pairs that you want to trade. You can choose a pair with a zero fee since it will be better for you. I will give my example with trading ETH BUSD pair, since I will not be paying any fee. You can both click on the yellow text of that pair from the announcement page, or you can directly go to spot trading screen from the main page of Binance. You must click the spot button from the trade section. And now get your scroll on top of the BTC USDT pair text and then write ETH to the search bar. After writing ETH, you can see the ETH BUSD pair. Click on it, then you can both use the limit order and market order. I will give my example from market order to make it easier. From the market order, write here more than 100 BUSD. You can write 101 BUSD or any other amount which is higher than 100. Let's make an example with 110 BUSD. After writing it here, click on the buy button and then you can sell your Ethereum from the selling section. Set the amount to 100% if you want to sell every Ethereum that you have bought here and then click on the sell button. Now you will make 2 transactions, 2 trades equivalent to 100 BUSD. Go to the activity page and claim your moon rocks. Do not forget that while trading, you may lose money as well as making it. So, do your own research too and choose participating in this event with your own free will. You can also tell your decision and thoughts about this event to us by leaving a comment down below this video. Be sure that we are reading every comment and trying to answer them as soon as possible. And that's all for this video, people. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below this video. Take care, see you in the next one.